What do you see from where you are? Are you near? Are you far? Do the clouds carry you away? Or do you watch me every day? Does God allow you to feel my ache? Does He hear my heart when it breaks? What do you see, my love, my life? Do you hold me close in the quiet night? Can you come to me when I call your name? Do I make you proud? I'm so lost in this painful crowd. Do you see the tears I hide behind the smile? The hollowed out, painful cry. Do you hear my whispers, soft and low? Do you answer, though I may never know? Does heaven echo the words I pray? Do you send signs in a subtle way? What do you see, my love, my light? Do you hold me close in the quiet night? Can you come to me when I call your name, or am I dreaming? Lost in this world's flame.